take a couple steps back, you get a wide angle, you get a whole fucking shot. That's right. Take 2 steps back, you get a better shot. Pardon the fuck out of me, excuse me.
He's a criminal. What would it say? He has a small dick. Getting more blood this time. He's a criminal. Police officer, we fight for your rights too.
You're still not gonna look in my eyes?
Do you believe we are people? Do you believe we are people? Because we believe you are. Despite the evidence, despite the brutality, we believe you have hearts, that you have children, that you care. But all you do is hit us. You let this guy in a hat run around and tell you to beat old men, to beat women. When you go home to your wife, you can be happy if you look her in the eye and say, I beat someone like you today. Today I beat a woman. Let me tell you about how I hit her in the face. Let me tell you about how I watched my brother beat a woman. When you go home and look at your wife in the eyes, think of that. When you look at your children, because you probably have some, think of that. When you look in the eyes, remember the blood coming from protesters, from innocent, peaceful protesters. And think, hey, I feel good today. I am so happy I'm doing this for my child. That what I do for my child is I beat people for a living. That's what I do. Maybe when you go to the bar, you can tell your buddies, hey, guess what I did today? I beat someone, and it was good. Oh my God, it was great. There was a dude at the door, and he said, beat someone, and I said, yes, I will. Because that's what I do for a living, and that's why I look my children in the eye. I look my children in the eye because I beat someone today, and I can pay for their education. Their education comes from the blood of innocent, homeless bystanders. Why can't you look us in the eyes? Why? Because you're afraid of what you'll see looking back.
It's more than that.
Us look back at you.
Listen, it's more than that. There's more to the story. They can't perceive you as a assailant or something abstract. If they look you in the eye, it's an acknowledgement that you're a person.
I'm a person.
And they have a hard time doing their job because they know sometimes the orders they get are immoral. Sometimes because of their job.
Do you see that I'm a person? Or do you have to look away? Do you have to look away? No, you don't.
My dad got lung cancer after 9/11.
You make a choice to beat me.
Politicians
You can't hear me,
out of the bill,
so you know you can't hear me.